Hello everyone, Jones here, and this is the second video for Visual Basics. And in this video we'll be covering math and a little bit of variables. So first of all, we'll put our console.readline just to make sure that it won't shut down right as we turn on the program. And then what we want to do is console.writeLine. And then in here, instead of typing a string, which is in these two, well, we could do something like 5 plus 4. We could try that, and it says 9. Since it will then go ahead and do this. Or we could time it up, and it'll be 20. So you can do math inside of here. Now let's say that you were wanting to do this math thing many times. Well, you would want a variable for it. Oh yeah, and if you don't know what I'm doing right now or don't know how to get this far, then I'll put a link in the top right or top left corner right now. So what we want to do here is create a variable that holds 4 plus 5. So to create a variable in Visual Basics, you'll do dim, and then the variable name, so we'll do number as integer, and this is define the number as an integer, which is a number, a full number that is. And then we'll do equal to 4 plus 5. Okay, so pretty much now we can go down here and just type number, and then it'll take the number variable that we have created right here, so that should be 9 as well. So instead of, but this is, well, now you think, well, why would you type all of this just to get this right here? Well, let's say that we wanted to do this many times, that we want to have this maybe 5 times or 10 times, then it would probably make sense. And it does, especially if it's a name, for an example, username that would have to be used a lot of times. So that's right there. But there's also many other kinds of variables. Oh, crap. Yes, we could create a variable called dim username as string. And that would be defined as a string. And string is pretty much some text. It's a line of text like Jonas or Phil is a guy or something like that. It's pretty much a number of characters after each other. So we could do username as, well, let's do Pete. And then we could go down here and do console.writeLine. And then we could do something like user name, and then to put them together, you do an and you can do something like this, is, and then and number and years old. So this would say print the username and the string is, and the number and the string years old. So this would say Pete is 9 years old. There are other kinds of variables as well. For example, chance. We could do dim chance as a boolean, and a boolean is pretty much a true or false statement. And these are pretty good to check if the user online. If he's online, then put online to true. If he's offline, put offline to true, or put online to false. And then we have also got double, which is pretty much the same as an integer, except it can have, well, that could be something like this, 5.4444, where an integer can't hold all these dot and then numbers. And there are a lot of other kinds. There are also different kinds of like byte and such, but this is pretty much what you need to know so far as microservices go. So let's do, oh well, do this double and then dim chance as boolean equal to true. And well, in the next video I'll be talking about user input. So look forward to that and play around with this a little bit. See if you can make a couple of programs telling a little kind of story using strings. So yeah, that'll be your little homework thing. Make a little story using strings, and if that works fine for you, then well, no problem at all. So there. So have a nice day. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. That'll make me go more into making videos. And see you guys next time.